I'm Janice, and I want to show you our Math Starter series for children ages 3 to 5. So when children are just starting to hold a pencil, they can start learning how to write math. And that's what this series helps do. It helps kids become familiar with math, enjoy it, and also helps their penmanship and number recognition, and teaches them addition. So this series has 10 books. They're sequential, incremental, and cumulative. So you'll see there's 10 books, 1 through 10 over here. They're colorful and they're cheerful, and there's 5 characters, Mo, Joe, Bo, Flo, and Zoe, that help make math fun. So in book 1, at the very beginning, your child will start to write numbers. And it's very easy, so that your children are just going to count bones and then learn the equation and then trace the equation. And here they're going to learn math through tracing. So they're going to get a lot of practice tracing the equations, and then they are going to practice them again. And then at the very end of every single chapter, or every single day of practice, they're going to have the opportunity also to see if they can remember what the answer is. And if not, they can always flip back. At the end of every day, there is a star to fill in, and every day they do another page of practice. They get an additional star. So day 2 has 2 stars, day 3 has 3 stars, and so on. And when we get to page 14, there's 14 days in every book, 14 days of practice, 2 weeks, so it's very easy to plan. They'll have 14 stars. You'll see that the different practice that they have at the end of a book is much different than the beginning. They've learned quite a few math facts. And then they personalize a certificate. And the certificates are all different. So that's a certificate with Mo. And here's our certificate with Joe and Flo and Zoe and Bo. So if a child were going to hang their certificates on a refrigerator or on their wall, they're all different and fun and colorful. They're learning also how to practice writing their name. And you'll also notice that the books are all color-coded. So every book has a different color stripe at the top. So the one book has this type of a lime green stripe. And then you'll see that there's pink and yellow and blue and red. So anyway, there's 10 different colors at the top of every book. They're color-coded, so we have these color-coded flashcards that coincide with all of our series. So every number equals a color. So when you have a flashcard with a 4 and a 7, you're going to have the color of the 4 and the color of the 7 on a flashcard, or color of 4 and 9 on a flashcard. So while you're working through these books, you can practice. Let's say you're going through the one book and you want your child to pull out all the green cards that stand for the number 1 that is on the 1 + 1, 2 + 1, 3 + 1, 4 + 1 flashcards. You can do that. So the flashcards will look like this. This is the question side with the characters, and this is the answer side. And there are over 150 operations, or I'm sorry, there's only over 150 math facts in addition. So you can create them, your children can practice cutting with scissors, and you can put them in a box. And then we also have this progress tracker. So as your child is working through the series, they can circle the book that they're working on. It'll show them planning, and just show them where they are exactly in the series and how much more they have to do. It's pretty motivating. Kids want to work through the series. And then we also have assessments. So there's 4 different assessments. This is one of them. This is the 3rd one. And this other side has the 4th assessment. So the assessments are also incremental. So as you're working through the series, you can do assessment 1, assessment 2, then 3, then 4, if you'd like. And then your child you can see how fluent your child actually is in math facts. And you can get the addition assessments, the progress tracker, some coloring pages, and these flashcards by going to page 2 in every book, there is a URL that you can go to download the assessments. So anyway, I hope this has been a helpful video. If you have any questions, you can always email us at help@pageadamath.com and get more information about how to use the series and other series that we have. Thanks so much.